Okay, here we are with the new toy. Hychika has sent me a new thing that they're just launching, and it's called a half-inch grill impact drive, not impact, but hammer grill. That's the word I wanted. Anyway, here's the unit. Pretty hefty. It's got a 20-volt battery on it, which I haven't charged yet, but it's got a pre-charge on it. That's the fast speed, I think. It's got two speeds here. No, it was on the slow speed. That's 500, and then it's supposed to be 2,000 on the other speed. So it has a half-inch chuck, of course, as I said already, and then it has, you can set it to different levels here, all the way up to, including, I'm just learning how to use this thing, so don't, be patient with me here, and I'll figure this thing out. Anyway, you can set it up to, there's an arrow here on the top, and you line this hammer drill deal up with it, and it's supposed to do the hammer drill thing for concrete. So we'll see what that's like here in a little bit. I like this half-inch chuck. That's a good idea. And I'm going to get that cranked out here, and we'll see what that. Boy, that's a powerful little bugger. And that's on. Well, that's on hammer drill, so you don't have any settings on that apparently. Let's go off of that onto a screw. Now let's see if I can hold it on one. Oh yeah. 7, 11, starting to get some energy there, and there's 15. Let's see what happens with 15. 19. Well, that just about tears it out of my hand. So, what do you think of it? I have no idea how it's going to work out here, but it's got forward and reverse. Pretty handy for if you want to open your chuck all the way to a half-inch for a little bit. And of course, the 2-speed, like I said earlier. And nice little light down here that shines right out here to where the end of your drill bit is. So, as usual, they've done a pretty nice job of it. This is a lot heavier than, well, here's one that I have tried out before, and this is just a little 3/8. You see the difference? There's a lot of difference in the size of those things. This half-inch drive has got a larger motor on it. This is more getting into the size of my DeWalt here, you know, comparing the size of them. They're about the same. But this Hitachi is, name dropper, Hychika has got a lot more power, and it's got a bigger battery. So the battery's real easy to take off. You just press down on this button right here, pop it out like that. And then when you get the thing charged up, slide it back in there and go back to work. I was going to look at the charging mechanism. Oh, there's an idea. It's got a handle that you can screw on there. And I should have put it on the other side since I'm right-handed. So we'll put it on here like this and see how this goes. What do you think of that? Kind of cool. I'm going to like this little guy. I know this will come tight after a while. What the direction said. There it is. Okay, now I can really bore down on it here and drill a big hole. I've got some planks outside that I wanted to drill some holes in because I'm going to anchor them to the ground. They're actually bordered pieces for the yard. And the problem is that we're having a thunderstorm right now, so I don't think I'll go out and do that. Okay, set this aside. Here's the battery charger and electric cord here to plug it in. And let's see what else we have. Oh, as usual, I send a little belt flip thing so that you can hang this thing on. It hangs upside down like this on your belt. And you know, like if you're climbing a ladder or something like that. And the other thing that I found in here that's pretty nice, this box out of the way, is a little pouch with a bunch of drill bits. And I was hoping that I would see a cement bit in here, but I don't see one. I guess we won't demonstrate. Oh, here's the directions too. So, nice little book there. Get this box out of the way and this out of the way, and I'm going to try this little thing out. Pardon the noise. Now we'll see what happens here. Well, it just came through. So the lights flicker. I don't know if the lightning's going to turn that power off. What do you think of that? If you've ever worked with oak, especially, this is just a junk oak. Oh, there's a knot there too. Anyway, this is off of a pallet. And you know how the quality of pallet wood, well, lack of quality. Anyway, they just grab whatever is available and throw it together and make a pallet out of it. Away they go. So, what do you think? So, tell you what they did. Hychika sent this to me, and actually I can keep it as long as I produce a video and tell everybody what I think of it. Look at the difference in size, and they're about the same amount of power. You know, they've really come up with some ideas here to make something you can hang on to and not wear yourself out holding it up. Of course, DeWalt, you know, they're an old standard. So, and this is every bit as strong or stronger than this one that I've had for probably 10 years. It's amazing, some of these tools, how long they'll last. But I'll tell you what, if you're interested in buying a battery-powered half-inch drill, I don't think I'd be afraid of buying one of these. And give it a whirl. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Anyway, this is Wayne, and I'm in my dirty old shop, which I don't use it as much as I do because I kind of got old here and I have a few things going on that old age does to you. But I get out here once in a while and have a little fun with it. So this drill bit, this guy, I'm going to use it a lot. You know, outdoors where you don't have electricity handy and different things, you can just grab that thing and go. And anyway, I sure would advise you, if you're looking for one, you know, this is one you can take out and just beat up out in the dirt and everything else, and I think it would just hold on there and really do the job, because I don't believe it's a brushless motor, it looks like. And of course a brushless motor is the way that everything is going these days. And the problem with the old brush motors like this one here, you know, the brushes, if they get dirt in them, then you have trouble. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and someday if you decide you wanted to buy one of these Hychika half-inch drill bit, drill drivers, and hammer drill combination here, go for it.